Hi, this is Gajangi Raja Babu, Arena International Master as well as a FIDE instructor. Today, actually, I am bringing a special move by pawn, which is really a complicated and which is called en passant. Okay, so I hope you all are ready to learn and understand what is en passant. As you know that, as I mentioned here, like this move is a special move. Okay, so special move in the sense which is a really a difficult to understand, especially for the newcomers, because they don't know like when to do the en passant and how to do the en passant. Now just look at this position. Now in this position, look at our pawn is in the fifth rank. Remember, when you are playing, and that time if you are when you are playing with the white pieces, and if your pawns are in the fifth rank, only if your pawns are in the fifth rank, and if your opponent immediately play pawn to two step, that means what? He is just passing from your pawn and not allowing you to capture, so that time you can do en passant. This is called a special move of en passant. Now look at this position. Now just now you must have seen that in this position right now black played here, but remember you have two pawns in the fifth rank. Okay, so one pawn is here, another pawn is here, so you have two pawns in the fifth rank. That means what? The white can do en passant, but he cannot do two times en passant. He can do only once en passant. You know what? He cannot do this en passant now because black has not played this pawn right now. So en passant कब कर सकते हैं? याद रखो, there are two conditions. One is what? Your pawn should be in the fifth rank if you are playing with white pieces, and if you are playing with the black pieces, your pawn should be in the fourth rank. That means what? Your pawn should be in your opponent's territory. तो ये जो अपोनेंट का टेरिटरी होता है, जो अपोनेंट का ये जो बॉर्डर होता है, उस टेरिटरी में तुम्हारा पॉन होना चाहिए, वो भी फिफ्थ रैंक पर इफ यू आर वाइट. एंड देन सेकंड कंडीशन इज व्हाट? ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम योर पॉन्स एडजेसेंट पॉन टू बी प्लेड टू स्टेप्स. If adjacent of that pawn is playing two steps and when he is not allowing you to capture, जब वो तुम्हें कैप्चर करने के लिए अलाउ नहीं करता है, that time you can capture that pawn, but remember you can do that immediately. Now suppose if I want to do this, it will not happen because right now the black has not played. Black has played earlier, and earlier I was having a choice to capture, but right now I cannot capture. Right now I have a choice only to capture with this pawn. So this is like free hit. जैसा क्रिकेट में होता है ना फ्री हिट, नो बॉल के इमीडिएट बाद फ्री हिट होता है. So similarly when your opponent play two step here, immediately you will get the n percent. Okay, later on it will expire. Okay, so now you can capture this by doing n percent. Now look at this. So right now your pawn, this pawn is in the sixth rank, this pawn is in the fifth rank, and your opponent played this pawn two steps. Remember, you cannot capture like this. So this is not called end passant. End passant ke two condition. One condition, your pawn is should be in the fifth rank, and your opponent, your pawn is in the fifth rank. Your opponent must have played two steps. So when your pawn is in the fifth rank and when your opponent is playing two steps, this pawn, that means what? Your opponent is making a no ball. So it is up to you whether to do a free hit or whether you should not do it. It is your choice. It is not compulsory. So we can capture this and do the n percent. Now I am giving you another example. Now see, look at this pawn, this pawn, this pawn, this pawn. All are having on the fifth rank. But remember, in this position, just now black played this. So that means what? These pawns right now cannot do n percent. Only this pawn can do n percent. Remember, n percent move is not compulsory. It is your choice whether you want to go ahead or whether you want to capture or whether you want to move your other pieces. But remember, n percent can valid for one move, immediate next move. So you can do a capture by n percent. Now look at, now this pawn has played. Now it is your choice to do the n percent right now. Okay, so suppose if I will capture this, and suppose if my opponent try to capture with anything, now I cannot do this. I cannot do n%. See, if I try to do it, it will not happen, guys. Okay, see, he played this. As I told you, we can do n% like this. If we play this, we can do n% by moving the capture. Now he played here, so you can do n% like this. But remember, it is not compulsory move, it is your choice. If you want, you can go ahead also. आप आगे भी जा सकते हो, या even you can even capture. Okay, so I hope you understood this, but let's, I am giving one more example. Capture this. Okay, capture this by n%, capture this by n%, and capture this by n%. So this is how you can capture with the. So I hope you understood the complete concept of n%. So thank you very much for watching.